If you had started investing in 1985, the world would have tried to destroy your money 5 different times. Crashes, panics, global disasters, fear, so strong it could shake your confidence to the core. And yet, you would still walk away a millionaire. Unbelievable, right? I know. But let me show you the part of the story no one talks about. The year, 1985, you make a decision that feels small. Invest 250 rupees a month, barely the price of a family dinner. But that tiny amount, it becomes the most powerful habit of your life. Every month, without fail, you invest. Rain or shine, good days or bad days. Your graph moves one direction, up, slow, steady, predictable. Your friends call you a genius. Your relatives say you're lucky. You smile, quietly, because you think this is normal. You think this is how investing always works. But then, boom. Black Monday. The biggest one-day crash in market history. People watch their wealth disappear in a single sunrise. Your friends panic. Your family begs you to withdraw. Fear spreads faster than the news. Everyone you know says, "Sell now. Take what's left. Don't be stupid." Your hands shake. Your heart races. Every instinct screams, "Run." But something deeper, something almost invisible, whispers one word, "Hold." And somehow, you do. The market recovers, slowly, like a wounded animal learning to walk again. You breathe. You smile. You think the worst is behind you. But the market has its own plans, and storms don't arrive alone. Late 1990s. Tech is booming. Everyone is getting rich. Your portfolio looks invincible. And then the bubble explodes. Nasdaq falls 10% overnight. Companies vanish. Investors cry on live television. People swear the market will never recover. Your friends aren't panicking anymore. They're terrified for you. "Please," they say, "take your profits. You've already won. Why risk it?" But you don't listen. You hold. Again, just like last time. It hurts. But you keep going, and the world recovers. Again, just when you think you've survived the worst, the world collapses. A crisis bigger than anything you've ever seen. Banks fail. Companies die one. Millions lose their jobs. People lose their homes. The market falls, then falls again, then keeps on falling. Surely, this has to be the end, right? But it isn't. Because when the world reopens, the market doesn't walk back. It launches. A 27% surge straight from the bottom. The kind of recovery people only see once in a generation. And the people who survive this? They don't just recover their money. They grow beyond anything they imagined. And the person who lived through all of this was me. My average return through every disaster, 11.23% per year. If I had just invested 250 rupees a month, I'd end with 1.84 crore rupees, a staggering 6,000% return. But the truth, I invested more, held longer, stayed disciplined, and that changed everything. This is why real investors win. Not because they're the smartest, not because they're the luckiest, not because they predict the market, but because they stay. Through crashes, through fear, through chaos, through noise. Every storm tries to break you, but every recovery rewards you. This is the real game, not timing the market, but surviving it. If you think you're too late, you're not. If you think you don't have enough, you do. If you think you should wait, that is the biggest mistake you can make, because the graph of your life changes with one decision. Starting today. The best time to invest was 40 years ago. The second best time is the moment you finish this video.